To attach the wooden drawer onto the Dynapro slide, I need these front locking devices as well as adjustment adapters at the back. I'll install those now. I have a template prepared, which you can use to pre-drill the holes. This means that when I'm installing the front locking devices on the left and right, I can place the template here over the edge of the wooden drawer. I always quickly place the front locking device on top of this template, just to check exactly which holes I need. And then I can use the center drill bit to pre-drill the holes here. Once the drawer has been pre-drilled, I take the appropriate screws, 3.5 by 25 millimeters. And now I screw them on. If, for example, you've already fitted a front to your wooden drawer, if there's already a front in place here, then you can simply turn the template around like so. And then place it here at the edge, right in the corner, and pre-drill the holes for the front locking devices. Now it's time for the adjustment adapters at the back. Again, I take the template and place it here in the corner of the wooden drawer. And I also place the adjustment adapter on the top again, just to check exactly which holes I need. And I can pre-drill the holes in the drawer. For this, I now use a different length screw. That is 3.5 by 16 millimeters. The adjustment adapters are also marked as right or left, depending on the side where they should be attached. Perfect, great. That's how easy it is to install the fittings. Just a small note here. If, for example, you're performing installation without a template, always make sure that the front locking devices do not protrude at all. It is better to position them a tiny bit further back, but under no circumstances should they stick out. This allows the front to be mounted perfectly flush. And now I'm at the point where I can insert the drawer. So you can place it onto the Dynapro and lock the whole thing in place. And if you want to know how to align the drawer perfectly in different directions in terms of height, sides, depth and tilt angle, then I highly recommend watching the other video we made on that topic. And if you have any questions about this product or others, please write them in the comments below. And in the meantime, I wish you every success with your projects.